Hello and welcome back. In this video I'll be making a game in 2 hours. It's an FPS shooter. Now I recorded most of this using my headset microphone, so I apologize if the audio is complete trash. Anyway, let's get right into it. Alright, it's 4:53, I have 2 hours to make a game, let's do this. This time I'll be making a first person shooter arena style game. Waiting for Unity to load is quite the arduous process. Alright, now that we're in the game, let's delete all of the example assets, a cube, which can be the ground, for our player to stand on. And I want to create a custom rigid body style player controller. So if now let's run this and see if we can move around. Now before we go ahead, I actually want to add mouse movement, so now we can look around and we can move, and it's looking quite well actually. Now we need to make a jump function, so public void jump. Right, so now we can jump, cool. We can jump infinitely though, which is not what we want. Now before we go ahead, I actually want to add some sort of texture to this cube so that we can actually see our relative position. There we go, that's much better. As you can see, we can jump, we can move around, it's looking quite good. Jump strength 7 is quite good. What if we set it to 69? Oh. It didn't do anything. Jump, strength. Here we go. Nice. Alright, now we'll set that back to like 7 or something like that. And that seems fine for a player controller. Alright, now we need to be able to shoot, so there we go, that's much better. Pew 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 pew. Alright. Alright, let's make some enemies. Cube. Enemy. Cubes are the best form of enemies. Come at me if you disagree. Don't want to use gravity, I want them to be floaty enemies. Now let's make an AI. Programming montage in 3, 2, 1. Test weapon, shoot sound, there we go. That sounds much better. Right, now, I want to make it so that I can hold down the button to shoot. So, input to go mouse button 0, shoot, done. This is going to be quite an interesting result. Let's see. Alright, so we need a weapon cooldown. So, public float cooldown equals 1. So we'll shoot every 1 second just as default. Make it max cooldown. And then we have cooldown equals 0. Right, and now we want to shoot 5 times a second seems good. So we'll set the max cooldown to 0.2. Easy. Cool. Alright, now let's crack open ProBuilder. ProBuilder cube. Set this to 0, 0, 0. And open ProBuilder. Right. Now let's make some walls. So I'll select this face here. I need to extrude faces again. There we go. Nice. Now we have walls. I need to extrude faces again. And there we go. We have a nice sealed area, and now we're in a building of sorts, which is a lot better. Alright, now we need to create a box spawner. Right, we'll create a empty game object, call it enemy spawner. Yeah, that is nicer. Looks like an enemy's about to pop out of there any second. Alright. Enemy spawner. Oh, whoa, did you see that? That's crazy. That is incredibly fast. Alright. Oh, that sounds good. I like that. Right, so I'm going to change the way that they move. So there we go. Now they're looking at the player a bit slower. Nice. So now it looks like they're actually floating towards the player. That's better. That's sort of more like what I wanted. Oh, I love that. That sound is so satisfying. Oh, let's make some platforms and stuff for the player to be able to jump onto. This one will be like platform. Open pro builder. Now I can do like that and like that. There we go. Now we have a platform. All right, we should be able to jump up there. I mean, our jump height is quite good now. There we go. All right, now I'm going to make a different type of enemy. There it is. That one's fast, way faster than the other ones. All I had to do now was add some music, and that's pretty much the end of it. I know the style of this video was a bit different to the other ones. Let me know what you think. Whether it was good or bad, I want to hear it all. Oh, and before I forget, the play link is in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.